MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com and RockAuto.com.
What could be simpler than a trailer? There really isn't much to them. And if you don't maintain them, well, what's the worst that could go wrong? Well, here's something. This one, it was parked over grass for long periods of time, and the axle actually rusted from the inside out from the moisture. And going down the road, it broke and the wheel came off. So always check the axle on your trailer. Make sure it isn't rusty. Check the wheels, especially if it's a boat trailer and you back it into salt water. The wheels tend to rust on the inside and they separate on the highway. Check the tires. The tires do a lot of work on a trailer. The heavy loads, high speeds, you've got to make sure that the tires are in good shape. They aren't stale dated, so you have to check the production date on them, and that they have the proper pressure. All right, next thing, the wheels turn on bearings. The bearings should be checked every 12,000 miles or once a year, unless it's a boat trailer that gets backed into the water, and then they may have to be checked a lot more frequently. Big thing is you check to make sure that they don't look like this. This one is right on the verge of failure because the grease is completely shot in it. Now, if you have to replace the bearings, buy them as a kit. They come with the race, the bearing, the seal, cotter pin, everything that you need except grease. You have to pack the grease into the new bearing. And make sure you know how to do that. You do it properly, and you use the proper high temp, high pressure wheel bearing grease. Some trailers will have surge brakes, and that means at the coupling there will be a movable part of the coupling and a master cylinder above it. And when the trailer surges forward as you brake the tow vehicle, it'll apply the brakes by moving the master cylinder, pumping fluid to the trailer wheels, and that brake fluid needs to be changed every 2 years, never longer than that. Check the lights. Many times trailer lights will be cracked or broken. Sometimes they discolor, they lose their red color. If there's anything wrong with them, replace them. They're readily available and easy to install. Also, make sure that the lights work. You have somebody walk around while you apply the brakes, the turn signals, and so on. Now, another thing, a lot of the light adapters are the trailer adapters. You have a different connector on the car or the tow vehicle than what you have on the trailer. So you buy these adapters. Many of the adapters will have built-in testers. Like this one will glow red if there's a problem. This one has lights on it and so on. Helps you test to make sure that the tow vehicle is supplying the proper voltage to the trailer to make the lights work. So take care of the trailer and you won't have problems. And if you have a question or comment, drop me a line right here at MotorWeek.